For a lot of merchants that are struggling across different platforms and trying to figure out how do they understand what's happening on the various ways they communicate with customers. So having a unique customer view within Klaviyo gives you the opportunity to track transactional data, all historical information coming in through your e-commerce store, on-site engagement, and where people are on your website and what the engagement looks like over time, in addition to email engagement, which pulls everything all into one customer profile. We like to use this data in another creative way to start to introduce segmentation, automations, and a lot of other various ways that you can communicate with customers based on what's happening at that unique profile level.